is not the first time that Congress, Priyanka Kharge is targeting. From the beginning, Congress is
Why do they
targeting
get so
the
flustered?
RSS.
Why do they get so flustered? Answer the questions over, no? And this bill again is nothing to do with any institution, organization, NGO, any Sangatan or political party. My party is older than RSS. I take permissions when I am using public grounds. I take permission when I am using public roads. So even you, my friends from the media, even when you are having public functions, you take permissions. When in your house if there is a function, कोई शादी है, कोई नामकरण है, you want to use the road to feed the guests, you take permission, no?
Why BJP?
So when you take permission, I take permission, anybody else also has to take
Just
permission.
on the legal
BJP
point,
leaders
sir, on the
are
legal
saying
point.
that Indira Gandhi cannot do. When Nehru cannot
When did I
do,
say ban?
How can Priyanka Kharge can go? And they even challenge if you can ban RSS.
When did I say ban?
No, they are saying it.
Arey Sagai, one second, madam, 1 second. What am I saying? Why they can't be banned? I'll tell you. They're not registered only. How will you ban an unregistered organization? Who's talking about banning? I am telling, please register. रजिस्टर करो, पूरा आपका अकाउंट्स देखो, दिखाओ, आप क्या करते हो, क्या नहीं करते हो, कहाँ से आता है पैसा, पूरा दिखाओ. अगर हमको ठीक लगे तो छोड़ देंगे, नहीं ठीक लगे तो बैन करेंगे. Now there is no question of banning RSS because these fellows are not registered only. That's why I am telling. No, I want to know who is giving me this देशभक्ति सर्टिफिकेट जो दे रहे हैं मुझको, वो कौन संगठन है?
प्यूरिफिकेशन जो किए हैं सर, उसके ऊपर आप क्या कहेंगे? मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे
अरे वो मनुवादी है भाई. That is, I am not surprised. I don't know why rest of you are surprised. They can't stand a Dalit leader in that position. Why do you think they did not invite the president for the parliament inauguration? When Kovind ji was the president, when he went to Orissa temple, Konark temple, after that also they did Shuddhikaran. See, this regime has further accelerated Manuwad philosophy, ideology.
Where are they taking through these kind of actions? Because when we talk about democracy,
They are taking us 200 years back only. Where else are they taking? Scientific temperament is zero. If the Madhya Pradesh government and central government is spending 100 crores on Gaumutra, if the IIT Madras director is saying that Gaumutra पीने से fever 15 मिनट में चला जाएगा, that is where they are taking us. कोरोना के टाइम पे कौन तो गौमूत्र पिया था क्या? प्रधानमंत्री पिए? मोहन भागवत जी पिए? कौन सा बीजेपी वाला पिया? कोई नहीं पिया. So this is the problem. The ideology of Manuwad is what happened in Haldwani yesterday. What is so surprising? They are filled with Manuwads, and that is exactly what they want to inject the people of the minds of the youngsters also.